Hi again, YouTubers. It is time for Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about a quick, easy, and gentle way to remove your eye makeup and the rest of the makeup on your face using two products I love, plus cotton that doesn't scratch your face or eyes. The one thing you want when you're removing your eye makeup to make sure that nothing is tugging at your eyes, pulling at them, because the last thing we want is to be pulling and tugging at those outside areas of our eyes and underneath our eyes, which is going to cause more fine lines and wrinkles. First thing I wanted to show you guys is a typical cotton round. See how it has that a little bit more of a seamed edge? It is a little bit rougher on the skin and can possibly scratch around the eyes. Now this is the cotton I've been using lately. Has no seaming on the edges, very, very soft, but it's not going to fall apart when you open it up, and it is amazing. Now the first cleanser I'm going to show you is the one by Tatcha, and I really like this one. It's nice. As you can see, it goes on smoothly. It's very, very emollient. This one is the Basha Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing, and this thing just feels amazing and gets everything off. It's definitely my favorite one right now. Then the Colleen Rothschild Cleansing Balm. This is what it looks like. Mine did heat up over the summer, so it kind of broke down a little bit, but that's okay. You can still use it. You just put a little bit on your fingers and work it together and then put it on your face. That cleansing balm also comes with this muslin cloth, and this is what I use every night to remove my makeup. So I'm using those cotton squares and I'm putting the Makeup Breakup on it by Basha, and I just simply tap on and move it around, but I don't rub really hard or tug really hard. I'm mostly just, it looks a little bit like I'm tugging because it's so fast, but I'm just placing it on there and just wiping and wiping until it comes off. Then I'm going to take that cleansing balm and really work it in everywhere, including my eye area, really work it into everything and make sure it's going to get all that makeup off. Then use that muslin cloth, wipe it all around. It is damp with warm water, and you just move it all around until you get all that makeup off. Got it one more time and just do a final swipe all over the face to make sure it's off. The reason I love doing this so much is because that original oil just gets all of that makeup off, whether it's waterproof, anything with fibers. It really gets it off without you having to tug and scrub. And then the balm simply removes everything else. And then you just use warm water and a cloth and it gets everything off your face. It has been my foolproof way of removing my makeup for quite some time now. I love it. There is nothing better. So I will post links to all of the items that I showed here in the video down below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.